Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shifter mod is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your sim racing setup. It's all about transforming the feel of your gear changes, making them more satisfying and realistic. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just starting out, this mod can bring a whole new level of immersion to your virtual racing world, making every shift a tactile and engaging experience. Number 5. Logitech Driving Force Shifter, PS4 and Xbox One. This shifter is designed to be mounted securely to your racing rig. It provides a stable and immersive experience, allowing you to fully focus on the game. Featuring 6 speeds and a push-down reverse gear, it offers a realistic driving experience. This allows for precise gear changes and enhanced control. Built with steel and leather components, this shifter is designed for both comfort and durability. It ensures a premium feel and long-lasting performance. It is compatible with Logitech G923, G29, and G920 driving force racing wheels. This ensures seamless integration and optimal performance. This shifter works with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Windows. It offers broad compatibility, letting you enjoy it on your preferred platform. What we like. This shifter mounts securely to your racing rig, providing a stable and immersive experience. It features 6 speeds and a push-down reverse gear, just like a real car. If you are looking for a realistic feel and want to enhance your racing setup, you should consider it. What people say. Works great with Forza, American Truck Sim, Beam, Dirt 2.0. Adding a shifter really enhances the driving experience. Connected to the steering wheel with no issue. Number 4. Logitech G Driving Force Shifter. This shifter is designed to work with your G29, G920, and G923 racing wheels. It will enhance the latest PC and console racing titles. Add it to your racing wheel setup for a more realistic experience. This driving force shifter is specifically designed for the G29 and G920 driving force racing wheels. It's the perfect addition to complete your racing setup. Get ready to take your racing to the next level. Built with a solid steel gear shaft, it's made for precision and long-lasting reliability. The knob and boot are covered in high-quality, hand-stitched leather. This gives it a premium look and feel. The 6-speed H shifter moves smoothly and clicks into each gear. This helps you execute accurate gear transitions. You'll feel in control on every turn. Durable built-in clamps and bolt points allow it to be mounted securely. This minimizes shifting or wobbling during aggressive race maneuvers. You can focus on the race. It is compatible with Windows 11 10 8.17, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 consoles. Also, it works with games that support Logitech Force Feedback racing wheels. Download the latest GUB software to customize and update the device. What we like. This shifter is compatible with a range of Logitech racing wheels, making it a versatile choice. It features a solid steel gear shaft for precision and durability. If you want a reliable shifter that works with your existing Logitech setup, you should consider this one. What people say. The quality is great and feels like a real shifter. It feels solid and feels like you are really shifting. It is a good size that feels similar to the ball part of the shifter on a car. Number 3. AIKEEC Gear Shifter Knob for Logitech G29 G920 G923 G27. Introducing the AIKEEC Gear Shifter Knob, designed to elevate your driving or sim racing. This premium upgrade enhances both the look and feel of your setup, making every shift more satisfying. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this shift knob is built to last. It features a protective clear coat finish, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance. This gear shifter knob is compatible with real-life cars, thanks to the included adapters. It also works seamlessly with Logitech G29, G920, G923, and G27 driving force shifters. Available in black, blue, and neo colors, you can select the perfect match for your car or driving setup. Personalize your experience with the color that best suits your style. The AIKEEC Gear Shifter knob is easy to install, allowing you to quickly upgrade your driving experience. Enjoy enhanced control and a premium feel with this simple yet effective modification. What we like. This shift knob is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, giving it a premium feel. It's compatible with both real cars and sim racing setups, offering flexibility. If you like to customize the look and feel of your shifter, you should consider this one. What people say. It feels more natural in the hand, with just the right amount of weight, noticeable but not overbearing. Installation was quick and easy, and now I'm banging through gears like never before. The shifter bolts in with 2 bolts and it feels sturdy and really nice in the hand. The assembly is pretty easy as well. Number 2. ODO LUC M10 *1.25 Gear Shifter Adapter. Introducing the ODO LUC Gear Shifter Adapter. This adapter is designed to enhance your sim racing setup, making it feel more realistic. Crafted from durable metal, this adapter is built to last. It provides a sturdy and reliable connection for your gear shifter. This modification part is simple to use and install. It allows you to customize your gear shifter for a better feel. You can easily replace the adapter yourself. It's a quick and straightforward upgrade to your racing setup. This adapter is suitable for Logitech G25, G27, G29, and G920 racing wheels. It's the perfect addition to your existing setup. The package includes one shift stick adapter. Please note that the shifter knob head is not included. What we like. This adapter is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability. It's easy to install, allowing for a quick upgrade. If you have an older Logitech wheel and want to modify it, you should consider this one. What people say. The shifter mod is a great addition to the Logitech shifter. It makes the shifter feel much more solid and precise. The throw is shorter and the shifting is much more positive. Number 1. LICHIFIT G29 Steering Wheel Paddle Modification Kit. Are you looking to upgrade your Logitech G29 steering wheel? This modification kit is designed specifically for it. It's a brand new accessory that will take your gaming to the next level. This kit is made with premium materials for long-lasting use. The strong magnetic magnet ensures the paddles are sturdy and durable, providing a satisfying feel with every shift. Feel the difference with improved hand feeling. This kit enhances the overall experience, making it more immersive and enjoyable. You will love how it feels. Installing this kit is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and removal, so you can quickly upgrade your steering wheel. Get ready to enjoy the enhanced performance. This modification kit is exclusively for the Logitech G29 steering wheel. It's the perfect accessory to improve your gaming experience. Get yours today. What we like. This kit uses a strong magnetic magnet, improving the feel and durability. It's easy to install and remove, making it a convenient upgrade. If you want to enhance the feel of your G29 wheel, you should consider this. What people say. Paddle shifts have a more positive feel and operate without a miss. Shifting is so satisfying with the magnets because of the given tactile feel. It also ends up pushing the sequential shifters a little forward, making shifting a fraction faster than it is stock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.